boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Today's lesson, we're actually going to take our lesson from the last 2 days and put them together so that we can have two things we're using at the same time to make sure that we can figure out new words. So I picked a couple pages from a fun book called Fun Dog, Sun Dog. So maybe you remember this book. And I picked out a couple pages to show you the strategy that we're going to use. So this is what we're going to try and do. Last lesson, we worked on looking at the beginning, the middle, and the end of the word, not just the beginning sound and guessing. So we're going to look at each part of the word, but we're also going to look for little words and word parts that remember we know from our word list, right? So we're going to do both of those at once at the same time. Do you think your brain can do two things at once? I think it can. Ready? So we're going to use those two strategies at the same time to figure out words. So let's look at Fun Dog, Sun Dog. Okay? And I've got a couple words hidden, and we're going to try and figure those out. So here's the first one. I'm going to hold this really close so you can see the words. There's the picture. Here's the words. It says, Tinka is a sweet dog, a something dog. Now, boys and girls, when I look at this word, I say it starts with a t-er, and now I see a little word at the end, and I know that word, that's eat. So I'm going to put them together, the sounding and the little words. Treat. A treat dog. Does that make sense? Do dogs like treats? Mine really likes treats. You know a Daisy dog likes treats. So now I'm going to reread it. A treat dog, a jumping up to greet dog. Boys and girls, do you see how we did two things? We looked for the sound. We read the beginning, middle, and end. And then I also looked for little words in the big word that were word parts. You can do two things at once. How about that? Fun dog, sun dog, a runnin', runnin', run dog. A ride dog, a slide dog, a stay right by my side dog. Ooh, I've got more words hidden on this page. Remember, we're going to look for word parts and read beginning, middle, and end. Here's the first one. B-E-ch. Oh, I see the ch sound. B-E-ch. Beach dog. Look, each dog. I see the word each in there. Boys and girls, do you see the word each? And there's a in front. So we're going to do both. We're going to look for the word parts and we're going to look for the sounds. A beach dog, a reach dog, a something new to teach dog. Those words share parts right on that page. All right, we're going to do one more page together. And then when you read today, you're going to flag words that you use these tools at the same time to figure out. Here's the word. Tinka is a d. We see the word and. D, and I know Y says E. Dandy dog. Oops, here I'll move it so you can see it better. Tinka is a dandy dog. A sandy dog. Sandy dog. So see that word and in the middle with a sound? And I use the beginning, middle, end. Ooh, this looks like a big word. Let's sound it out. Look for little words. I see a ch-ing, snatching all my candy dog. Okay, boys and girls, so I'm not going to read the whole story, but you can see how I did two things at once. I used the beginning, middle, and end, and I looked for little words in our word families to see if we could sound out that word. So remember, read through the whole word and look for little words at the same time. Do you think you can do that? I think you can, because you're going to be a strong reader, aren't you? All right, let's see if you can do that today, boys and girls. Do two things at once. I think you can.